Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our challenge 1, let's take up our challenge 2, which is bring your prompt to life with agent actions. And in our channel we are providing solution for all of these modules one after another, which will be available under Agent Blazer Legend playlist, so do check that. Now let's take up our second challenge. So for this I'm just gonna copy this Agentforce agent, and in quick find I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna click on Agentforce agent. So once if we get into this page, we are gonna toggle this Agentforce button on and then give a odd refresh so that we will get the enable the Agentforce default agent as well. So we are going to toggle that as well on. Make sure these two are done, and now give a hard refresh. And if you scroll down, you will find this Coral Cloud Experience agent. Just click on it and click on open in builder. So here let's create a new topic. For that, click on new followed by new topic and click on next. Let's enter name over here. Copy this and paste it over here. API name will be auto populated. And for classification description, we are going to copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, let's copy this scope and paste. Let's do the same for instruction. So copy our first instruction, paste it over here, and now click on add instruction twice. In our second box, we are going to copy the second instruction and paste it. Copy the third instruction and paste it on the box, which is at the last. So once if it is done, click on next followed by finish. And now let's click on this topic label which we have just created and go to this topic actions, and now click on new followed by create new action. So for this reference action type, we are going to give flow, and for reference action we are going to give get customer details. So once if it is done, click on next and uncheck this show loading text for this action, and now click on finish, and again click on new followed by create new action. So we are gonna choose prompt template. So for reference action, we are gonna give pre-arrival guest welcome. So once if it is done, click on next, and we are gonna copy this instruction and paste it over here. So once if it is done, we are gonna uncheck this box as well. And for this instruction, let's copy our input instruction and paste it over here. And we are gonna check this show in conversation checkbox. Now click on finish. So as I already done with this API name, for me it is showing a duplicate value. So for you guys, once if you click on finish should be success, and once the finish is done, just click on activate and just go back to the challenge and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.